This is another My Jeep video featuring past work from 2020.
Hello y'all, this is Paul Stevens again, and this will be my fourth video on my Jeep. And when I first started, I said when I started putting this thing back together, I'd have to evaluate what else needs to be worked on, changed out, whatever. And one of the things I found right there, power steering. I developed a really bad leak with power steering while I was checking the engine out.
What you see under there is just from the lines when I disconnected them.
Anyway, I got the lines off. I didn't have no problem there. I got some new ones coming by Amazon. Should be here by Monday. There's the top of the high pressure. Where it goes into the reservoir. That's where it connects. And the other one is the return line, like low pressure. Well, I don't know if it's leaking. I'm assuming it's not. The way this stuff is spraying, I'm pretty sure it's coming out of the high pressure line. But I'm going to go ahead and change that out also. And another problem I found while I was running this, I noticed my oil pressure was kind of high right there, around 75 psi or so. And I found that it's probably the oil sending unit. It's kind of high, because what I understand, it should be around 45 to 55 psi normally, and it'll be up there around 70, 75. After it's run for a few minutes, all of a sudden it'll just go to zero. It'll fluctuate sometimes. Anyway, the oil sending switch is back in there. I don't know if you can see it, because I have no light of it. It's somewhere right there near the oil filter. So I've got one coming in also, should be here Monday. I'm going to go ahead and change that out. I keep running into a lot of different things, but this is an old high mileage Jeep. I'm just trying to get it where I can run it, get it out on the road, out on the freeway, and evaluate it to see if it's worth spending additional money on.
Part 2 will be coming soon on this installation. Thank you.